like good pussy and I like good trees. Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe, and I get more ass than a